Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Martin, and you know what? Maybe we should just call this the Dell Chronicles. Either way, let's get back into the timeline of this issue I've had with Dell. So a quick recap. Discussed with the technician Maria about the issues with the laptop. Never got the package slip to send back the laptop. Called back to Dell. Talked to customer support as well as a tech support supervisor. They initiate for a representative to come out to my house and fix the issue. Now, this is also during COVID too, so this was kind of scary times. Now, as you can see, the technician comes out on September 17th, which was much faster, way much faster, considering I had called back to get somebody to come out and fix this laptop, since apparently they didn't want me to send it in. Now, this was also after trying to contact Maria several times, as well as trying to find out what's going on, even to the point that Dell had sent me a "how was our service" email. Well, I don't know, because nobody's gotten my laptop to start working on it. So after the week goes by, I talk to the supervisor. They send out the technician, and as you can see, the technician gets a fan assembly, which, by the way, not only was he going to replace the heatsink with a bent heatsink, which he didn't do, thankfully, very good of him, and just decided to repaste, but he also changed out the fans because that was the other thing they sent. Well, this did not fix the problem, and the technician that came out agreed and said there should be no reason this laptop is having any problems running this game. At which point, I had to go back to Dell and request that it be fixed. At which point, they decided to send him out again, and this time, it replaced the motherboard completely. So what an ordeal, right? And I was trying to figure out, well, maybe they just think the GPU or CPU is bad. That's fine. So the technician comes out again, great customer service, and replaces the motherboard immediately. However, to our utter surprise, not really, this still did not resolve the issue. Thankfully, though, the motherboard was packaged the way Dell normally does, in this wonderful box that you could probably run over it with a tank. And I said, okay, well, I feel a little bit more comfortable about this. Even though it was a refurbished motherboard, that's pretty atypical of what you're going to see. As I said before, this did not fix the issue. And this took an enormous amount of time trying to get this going. But again, I'm not going to blame the technician. He did a great job. He was very friendly, and kudos for Dell for utilizing technicians that are as polite and nice as Christian was. So, see, I don't have all bad things to say. But it did take a significant amount of time to get this done, which was a major concern. Now, stay tuned, because we're going to get into more of the nitty-gritty, and pretty soon, some actual audio. Because after talking to customer service people so many times and being hung up on, you almost get this urge that, gosh, should I record this? Yes, you should. Stay tuned for the next episode, where I'm going to learn how to use HW Info. This was a pretty cool one. We'll see you later.